So if you're watching this video and you're fed up of the traditional ways of finding saturated dropshipping products, within the next 10 minutes, I'm going to be showing you guys these completely free, brand new product research methods for dropshipping that are proven to find you 6-figure and 7-figure products that can do anywhere between $1,000 a day and even $10,000 a day. Now, the best part of this video is I'm actually going to be doing the live product research with you using the methods that I'm about to show you, so you know that you can actually find insanely good dropshipping products. Now, to make your life even easier, I've created a Google Sheet, which is going to contain all the columns and setup to help you identify what a winning product is. Now, most gurus will try and charge you for this or try and get you to sign up for this, but I'm going to be giving it you for completely free. All we've got to do is hit 1,000 likes on this video in the next 24 to 48 hours. So guys, before I show you the methods today, let me go through the sheet that I'm giving you for completely free that will help you with your product research. Now, the first column is called product name, which obviously is the name of the product. Then you're going to be adding your competitor store here, which I'll be showing you how to do later. Then the ad library link and how many active ads, the average reviews, how many views it's getting on TikTok, offers used, meaning what angles are they using to try and advertise a product to get people to want to buy it, new gaps in the market, what angles have they not tapped into, and then we can figure out the saturation level. Now, with the product research method that I'm teaching you today, once you filled out at least 10 of these rows, you should have a minimum of 3 products that can start doing some good numbers. So guys, now I've explained how the Google Sheet's going to work. Let's get on to product research method number 1, and that's by coming to a website called Trustpilot. And yes, you've heard me correctly, we're going to be using Trustpilot. Now, when it comes to product research, you need proven databases that are designed to show you good products. Now, Trustpilot is one of the best ones to do so. And why is that? Number 1, Trustpilot will show you products that are good quality, meaning that people like those products because the reviews are, guess what? Really, really good. Trustpilot is all about legitimacy of a store, and there's no better way to find a product than using Trustpilot, because if the reviews are good, that means the product's good and the store's also making money. So it's a 2-in-1, which is insane. So all you need to do is come to Trustpilot, scroll all the way down to what it says, what are you looking for? Click see more, and then it's going to give you loads of categories and companies that you can go through. Now, the ones that we're obviously going to want to do are ones that we could sell as a dropshipper. So for example, you've got beauty and well-being. That's an industry that we can dropship within, so I'm going to select this. Now, from here, we've now got a filtering. Now, I'm going to change the location from the UK to the United States. I'm also going to change it to 4 stars and upwards. And then I'm going to sort it by highest number of reviews. And then just like that, we're going to start seeing some e-commerce brands and even dropshipping stores starting to appear. Now, the first one's Fashion Nova. Obviously, that's a huge company, so we're not going to entertain that. Now, from there on, we can start looking at all of these different brands. So what you want to do is you want to select on all of these different ones. You want to go to their website and you want to start researching what their best sellers are. Now, for example, I've come across this e-com store or dropshipping store called ColourPop. They've got 45,000 reviews and they've got great reviews, and it's a verified company. And if I go to their website here, you're going to see their website comes up. Now, I'm going to go all the way to the top where it says best sellers. So I'm going to go to where it says shop all the best sellers. And then just like that, we've got some dropshipping looking products coming up. So what I can now do is click on some of the listings. I can then right click and click search goods with AliExpress image. So this is a Chrome extension that I'll leave linked in the sheet where you can right image search the image. If I click it, it's now going to spy on AliExpress and see if it exists. So now I can click search, and now it's going to try and find the identical product. And just like that, guys, we have found the exact product just here. So this is the product on that website from Trustpilot. Now on AliExpress, this is the exact same product. So just like that, guys, we are using Trustpilot as the database of websites that have got lots of reviews, positive ones meaning that they're good quality products, and number 2, lots of reviews meaning that they've got lots of orders. And then what we can do is we can spy on their best sellers. So guys, before we move into the next part of today's video, I've got a huge announcement that I couldn't hold back, that I know every single one of you wanted to hear, which is I'm now offering a free e-commerce and dropshipping mentoring. You've heard me correctly. It is 100% free to participate, and join. All you've got to do is follow the link in the top of the description and in the pinned comment and join the Ecom King Vault. So what you guys can expect from the mentorship for completely free is we've built a custom built software to teach you in. So we've not gone out there and used School or Kajabi. We've built our own software that's cost us over $30,000 to build that will enable us to tailor teach you within the software. Now, to sign up to the vault, it will only take you 10 minutes, and I've even given you step-by-step video guide in the app so you can follow it along and get inside of the mentorship. Now, you're also going to be getting a full course, so it's going to be around about 8 hours long. Each episode has resources, cheat sheets. You've also got a private Discord community. We even do live calls between once and twice a month. So you're getting basically group mentoring for completely free. It does cost us a lot of money to run the vault and manage it, as we're having to pay for staff and we're having to pay for the software to keep using it. But I do believe that it will change a lot of people's lives if they take action with all the methods and teachings that we offer. With that being said, guys, let's get straight back into today's video. We can now even go to the ad library and start searching for their page, ColourPop, and just like that, guys, I'm now finding ads of them advertising those makeup palettes that I found on their store. So now we can look at what winning ads have they got, what images are they using, what creatives they're using, so we can even do some product analysis of how they're advertising it to make money. And we can also keep an eye on how many active ads there are, so you can filter it by active ads, and you can see they've got 150. So straight away, guys, I can now go back to my Google Sheet, type in the product name here, and the product name is Going Coconuts Makeup Palette. Then the competitor store, I can copy it here and paste it in. And then in terms of the ad library, I can go back to the ad library, copy the link here, put it back in the sheet. How many active ads have they got? They've got 150. So I can go back to the sheet and type in 150. Now, the reason why we're typing in the amount of active ads they've got is because if we want to know as a store if they're scaling over a weekly basis, every week you should check on it. If the numbers going up, it means they're scaling. If the numbers going down, it means they're downscaling. So what we can do is we can keep an eye on if they're going up or down by monitoring it and keeping the sheet active. Now, average reviews, we can go to Trustpilot and add it in here. Now, if they're not on Trustpilot because of the second method I'm going to show you, then you can type in the average reviews here from Trustpilot, and then we can move on to the TikTok views. So now I'm on TikTok and I've searched for the brand name ColourPop, and you can see loads of influencers reviewing their makeup palettes. And what we want to do is we want to see how many views they're getting. So you can see this product here, the same one that I found, has got 83,000 views. 2.6 million views, 1.4 million views. So as an e-com brand, they are getting a lot of views. So we can type in the average amount of views on TikTok they're getting based on the first page and put it in this sheet. Already, this product is already looking like a winning product just based off all the research I've just done in literally 3 to 5 minutes. Now, if you're not finding much coming up for the actual brand itself, then you want to search for the name of the product instead of the brand name and see if you can find the product or very similar products and see how many views they're getting. Now, remember, this store has loads of bestsellers. This isn't just the only one they have. They've got all of these other bestsellers that I can do research on, but this is the one that I've got the most faith in. Ads, I found the most info on this, and on their ads library and their TikTok account, this is the one getting the most traction. Now, something else that you guys can do that not many people know about is you can come to the AliExpress DS Center. So once you go to AliExpress, you go to your account and you click DS Center. Once you've gone there, you should now see your AliExpress look like mine, AliExpress DS Center. And if you just search for your product, so you can see here I've searched for the product, you're going to be seeing the same listings that you'd see if you were to search on the normal AliExpress, but now you're going to get a feature that says go to analyze. So as soon as you click this button, it's now going to analyze the listing and find more listings, and it's also going to show you other listings that have either more orders or similar orders. So this is a great way to see if there's any alternative winning products that you can drop ship. So like, for example, this one, and it's also going to show you how many orders they've got and the sales performance and the logistical performance. So this is a great way to get some extra products to think about or to even upsell. Now we need to go back to the sheet and go to where it says offers used, and this is where you need to analyze the Facebook ad library or the TikTok videos being uploaded by the influencer, because you want to see what angles are they using. Are they using scarcity tactics? Are they using personal tactics of making somebody feel insecure but then giving them the solution? What are they doing to make somebody want to buy it? And what offers are they using? Are they using a buy one get one free, buy this and you get this for half price? Whatever you can find out, you write it in this box, because what you're going to end up doing is you're going to be looking at this and be like, oh, there's a gap in the market. What is that gap? Then you're going to then sell the same product, but you're now going to focus on the new gap that they didn't situate on. Now, you can also fill in here what countries they didn't target. So you can analyze their ads and see and filter it by country. So if you type in their actual page on the ad library, but filter it by country, figure out which ones they're not using, and then you can also fill in the gap. Dropshipping isn't just about copying, it's about finding gaps in the market and you filling them in and making them better. So guys, before we move on to the next part of today's video, I want to give a massive shout out to today's sponsor, which is Bond Loyalty, which is a free Shopify app for you guys to use to help you increase your Shopify lifetime value with your customers, your average order value. Because what this app does, it's designed to build up loyalty between you and your customers so that they can join your loyalty program, redeem points, earn points, get cash back, get discounts on products, so they can interact with this one app as a loyalty system to help them to continue coming back and repeating orders so that they can earn points and they can spend them on future orders. They've also introduced a referral program into the loyalty scheme so that once your customer buys from you, they can then become a referral, meaning that they can now represent your brand as an affiliate and start sending the link out to people they know that might want to buy a product, and they'll earn a reward, whether it be gifts, whether it be points, or whether it be a cashback from your loyalty scheme. So this one app is crucial if you want to build up your lifetime value with your customers and you want to try and increase the chances of getting referral marketing. And remember, Bond Loyalty do offer a free plan, which means it's no risk for you guys. And if you do want to then scale up and start using their paid tiers, if you use my link in the description, you will get exclusive benefits. With that being said, guys, let's get straight back into the video. Now, where it says saturation 1 to 10, this column isn't necessary, because if you've already done the rest of this and it's already looking really promising, then that's already a great product to start selling. But if you want to fill this one out, then what you need to do is you need to go back to the ad library and you need to be typing in the name of the product and seeing how many other people are selling it. And if there is more than, let's say, 50 people, then the saturation would be at around about 5 to 10. It really depends on how many active ads each one has. It's really hard to identify saturation unless you know how many active ads, which is here, is being ran per page. So let's say, for example, you've got here competitor store. You're able to fill this box up by, let's say, 30 stores. Out of those 30 stores, there's 10 people on the ad library with 100 active ads. I'd put the saturation at around about 8 for me personally. It's very hard to identify, but it's all about how many active ads there are. Now, if we do hit 2,000 likes on this video, I will actually set up a calculation where you can work out saturation based on numbers. But for now, I'll leave it to you guys to tell me if you want that based on the like button. So guys, that was product research method number 1. That was completely free. Now let's move on to product research method number 2. Now you need to come to this page here called the Lander Library by PageDeck. Now what this company does is it lists some of the best landing pages in the industry of e-commerce, and most of the landing pages that they upload are ran by huge companies that are doing between 6 figures and 7 figures every single month. So what you want to do is you want to go to where it says all brands at the top. Then once you've filtered it by all brands in the top, you're going to see loads and loads of different stores popping up. And again, just like the Trustpilot one, you want to analyze all of the different landing pages, because you want to know out of all these different landing pages that are coming up, which ones are drop shipping, which ones could be drop shipping, even if they're not drop shipping, but they're selling an e-com product that you can find an alternative as a drop shipper, then that's good enough. You don't need to sell the exact same product. If the solution is the same, if it does pretty much the same thing, you can drop ship that item. So you want to analyze all of these different landing pages by using the AliExpress image reverse search or searching for the product in AliExpress and seeing if you can find an alternative. Now, one page that I came across was this one here called NeuroCover. And if I go go to their landing page, they're selling these portable ice baths, and you can see their landing page is really, really nice. I'm sure it's converting really, really well. Now, these guys are probably doing anywhere between 5 and 6 figures a month, and I'm on about the high end. And you can see here, it's just like a portable ice bath. Now, if we actually go to AliExpress, I've actually found the exact same one, literally on AliExpress. If I go on another listing, it says custom logo here, so it shows that you can white label the product. And if we go back to their website, they've just added their logo here. Now, I am convinced this is a drop shipping store based on purely what I'm finding here, but it might not be. But anyway, guys, you can definitely see that there is a drop shipping solution to this store. Now, if I go to their ad library on Facebook, they're running 270 ads at the moment. You can see here. And if we look, you can see all the videos are of their portable ice bath. So this is clearly making very good money if you're running 270 ads that are active. Now, again, I can now start searching for other pages by typing in portable ice bath. I can also go onto TikTok and type in ice bathtub, and you can see here, loads of views are coming up, 5 million views, 500,000 views, loads. And all of these ice baths that are coming up all look like they're using the same supplier. The same ice bath, just a different logo. So as you guys can see here, this is clearly a winning product. Now, if I go back to AliExpress, you can see it's going to cost me around about $22 to around about $20 to buy it. And they're selling it for around about $99.99. You can see here, they're selling it for, $110. So they're making really good margin with this product. So now what I can do is I can go back to my trusty product research sheet, fill in all of this. And again, if you're going to be filling this out per one product, it might take you like 20 minutes to fill out all the competitors, all the gaps in the market, all the offers they're using. It might take a little bit of time. Really don't rush using this, guys, because this is what's going to help you find the gap in the market. But that was the second method, guys, using the Landers Library page deck, because all of these are normally high-level 6-figure and 7-figure e-com brands, and finding which ones you can find a dropshipping solution to. And just like that, guys, on this live video, I just showed you me doing it right then. Now, guys, I want to show you one last final method to finding winning products. Now, this method is a paid method, but it's definitely a great option if you want to fast-track the process or if you want an alternative method. Now, the method is by using an ad spy tool, but you have to use it a certain way. Now, the ad spy tool of choice for me is going to be Peakster, as it is my own company and I invest a lot of money and effort into making it the best. Now, when you come to an ad spy tool like Peakster, you can filter it by ad score. Now, ad score basically means how well is the ad performing based on duplications and how much they're spending on new ads. So now I filter it by ad score. All of these different Facebook ads that are coming up, you can see here, ad score, ad score, ad score. Anything within the green or blue means that it's making good money. So all I need to do is scroll through Peakster based on ad score. And all I need to do is look at all these different ads. So for example, if I want to look at this ad, I'm going to go to where it says go to details. It's going to show me the page name, the ad copy. It's also going to show me the duplicates. I also get the option to check if it's still active by clicking check now. Then it'll take me to their ad library and it'll show me if that actual ad is still active. It isn't. That exact ad wasn't active, but they are still running active ads. Then I can go to where it says duplicates, and then it's going to show me a chart of the duplication. So you can see here, it shows me the initial ad, duplication. So it shows me each time they duplicated the ad, and it shows me a chart of what the duplications were. So they scaled the ad here, and then they downscaled it here, meaning that something went wrong, meaning that either it wasn't scalable or they have some logistical issue. But this is a really good option because you want to see a graph where it's going up and only up, or slowly going up. You don't want to see it coming back down because that could insist on something's not right. Now, what you can do is, because this had prior success, you might want to track it by clicking track. And then if I go back to the dashboard on Peakster, so here you can see top tracked ads, and then it's going to show me every day how many of those ads are now doing better. I can also go to the ad spy section, go back to tracked ads, and now it's going to show me that tracked ad initially, which is this one here. So it's going to show me the duplicates, stable, check now. So I can check now on the status, and it will show me what they're currently doing. So the whole key of this product research method using Peakster is finding ads based on ad score, tracking them, and if in a few days they're still doing good, or if they're starting to scale back up, then you jump on the product. Now, I don't want to talk too much about Peakster because this was a free product research method. I'm just showing you the power of using an ad spy tool, using an ad score method. That way you're finding products based on duplications. But with that being said, guys, that was the brand new product research method that's helping me find 6-figure 6-figure and 7-figure products, and how you can find products that can do $1,000 a day to even $10,000 a day. And all the methods that I've showed you today, I do believe no one's ever shown you before. Let me know in the comment section if you thought they were smart and useful. With that being said, guys, I'll catch you guys on the next video.